Good evening. This is another episode of Live Coding with Maarten van Stam. Office development, most likely. Still need to do some screens over here because I messed things up just by rebooting. Let's silence the music a little bit. How are things doing today? It's been a while for me. I think I've not streamed about 2 weeks and I'm back for now. I really don't have a clue what to do. Let me see if I can close this all down. I need to get my activity feed in place. Otherwise, there's no clue to who is following. Let's see. My chat window can go. Welcome. Hydrate. I just put my VM again because I had to reboot it for some security updates. I really need to get. I need to find out what I was doing last time, but also kill the sound of my phone. Put it on Do Not Disturb. Nice. So that's out of the way. Put it on the power plug. Otherwise it's empty at the end of the evening. Let's see. Well, let's first start the show because we are already in for now 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Let's get this going. Hello. Where's the man from the radio? Let me quickly show the work environment. Push this in and move it over to my desktop. I really don't have a clue what I was doing last time. Let's check what's out there. Let me check because I planned to do some console logging at the time, and from what I remember, I didn't do that too much. So I'm not sure why. Dark mode on my events. Oh, there it is. I have a new dashboard for Twitch. I think it's an early preview or something. I'm not sure. Can show you if you like. Something like this, where I see myself and I see it in recursive, one viewer, not too many, and the chat box and my activity feed, and I can edit the stream info. Let's put it back in place. Also Let's see if I need to move some items. Yeah, the follower goal is a little bit off. Let me check. My multi-view, follower, position, I think it's the X position, maybe? Nothing's happening. I think that's the wrong one. Let's check again. Which one is this? Live coding? Oh, my live coding view. This is my live coding view. Multi-view. Follow goal. This must be this one. Yeah, put it a little bit to the left. That's better, I think. Okay. My background's a little bit stretched, if you ask me. Not sure why. But also the list. Where's the list? A list box. That's the X one, I think. No, the Y. Let's put it a little bit down. Oh. Move it, move it, move it. Yeah, let's do it this way. And save my settings for the next time. What's the date for today? It's October 22. 10/22. My first item for today. Save. Right. Sounds good. Boom. I'm testing a little bit of new lighting over here. My glass is always a little bit shiny. Let's see what's in here. Apparently I created, let's do this in my Explorer to sort it. Data, projects, date modified. So apparently this is a new one from last time. So like this, command. Code. Let me say first npm start. Let's see what this is doing. Debugging webpack. Bring on the Node server. Oh, minor version of npm available. There's the add-in. Is this running yet? Boom, boom, boom. Water is dripping from my lips. Compiled successfully. Got it. Let's see if this runs. This runs. This still runs. Oh, my license. I need to update my license. Accept. Run. Hello world. So, what was it I wanted to do? I wanted to test something on the console logging. Let's find my notes. One note. Let's first start to update npm. Kill this as well. npm install global. Let's first check npm global outdate. Oh, npm. Ta-da! npm. Let's check what's outdated in 2 weeks. npm and TypeScript have been updated. So npm update everything. Updating everything. It is. So now I'm curious to see if it's already updating my npm as well. I'm wearing my Office 365 developer shirt again. Up to now it didn't help me that much, but let's see. Already done. npm outdated. Let's see if it updated npm as well. I doubt it, but no, it's set over here. npm 6.12.0. Fighting Eyes by Hypersmith, playing by Pretzel. Oh, no, nothing outdated. Let's check npm outdated on the project. That's a lot, and I'm not going to update it right now because I just want to do something with code. My guess is that's also my Visual Studio Code is probably also outdated. Initializing JTTS language features, prettier, TypeScript React. Yeah, yes, and last time I've been looking at the Office initialized true. There's an update Visual Studio Code 1.39.2. Later, Tozo. Martin. What's the escape character for? Single quote. That's quote. Something like that. Maybe. Oh, it changed. Why did it change? Okay. I wonder if that's working. Terminal. npm start. Node is starting, kicking in. Got it? But is my node running yet? No, no node. There's always a slight delay. I should somehow get a delay in kicking off the Word document with the add-in until Node was completed to run as a server. Otherwise this would not be functioning. There it is. My new add-in. So where did it go with my name in there? I guess it's not used because it's most likely in the manifest. My new add-in. Display name. So if I copy this, copy. Let's reload. Yeah. Still, yes, because the add-in is reading the manifest maybe one time only. It's starting up. Don't save. This was recompiled. And close this. Let's see. Oh no, not in the code. Come on. Why did it say it was already running? It's not running. Dev server is already running. It's not running. Liar. Let's give it a timeout. npm start. Already running. It's not running. Come on. You fake. So, how are you doing, guys? How do I kill this? Task manager, maybe? Details. Question is, need to close my code then. Code dot npm start. There's Node. No, later. Process ID 10,128. Remember that, we need to kill it. That's no, I can remember that. Is the server running? Yes, server is up and running. Show task screen. Yeah, now it changed my heading. There it is. I now want to do some console logging, and I made some show notes around this. What was it, 15 October? No. Refactoring tips. Links maybe? Oh, let me check if I updated the encast. Let's see if my stream is... No, it's not in there. Oh my bad. Let me take this outside. Secrets. Sorry for that. Oh, I need to confirm it with my multi-factor. Ta-dum, ta-dum. I should add my chat to this window. That would be an idea. Let's do that after I confirm this. Approve. Come on. You can do it. Ah. Paste the link in. Copy, paste, and then save. And now I can remove the secrets again. So it's yeah. Check. Looks like it's up and running. Good. Oh, we need to still update it. It's funny, you need to do your work. Finish the website. Let's first put the overlay in the secret screen. So if we put up the secret screen, might be nice if we can do some multi-view chat. Where's the chat box? Chat. Oh, that's a little bit big. X. And put this a little bit to the side. That's an X, I think. The other one. Zoom it a little bit more. Oh. Why can't I zoom it? Reset. Something like this, maybe? Maybe middle. Top right. Is that readable? Yes, I think so for now. I wonder if I can put some. No, okay. Let's keep it for now. And we're back. Secrets. No more secrets. Now I need to find my. That's my logging. Links. Debugging. Must be this one. Copy link. Yeah, copy link. For some reason my note is Dutch. Why is this Dutch? I don't want my notes, one note in Dutch. Let's see. Level up your debugging. No, my chair is falling apart. To kick in my restream chat as well. Learning Node. Console count reset. Grouping. This is nice. I need to this one. Can I pin this? Pin to start. Yeah. This is a dev tool, so put this up. Dev tools. So this is the Microsoft Edge. Why is it not working? No. Unable to click it. Why can't I just click it? Do you see? Wow! What's this? It's not pluggable. They're all working except for this one. I'm not able to remove it. Wow. This is strange. So let's just start this one up then. Only one root element allowed. Yeah. Task pane HTML 1.1. Let's check. Where's my code? Here. Which HTML was this? Task pane HTML component, task pane, this one, this. So what's not to like about this? HTML, that's the header information. It's only one body, so it should be okay. Now Prettier is checking this. 4 spaces 4. What's this? Change view. Configure tab size 4. Okay. Like this. Is this 1, 2, 3? Oh, why is this 2? So we have to tap this. That's 4. So why is Prettier not doing this? Prettier is indenting with 2, I think. Prettier. Prettier? How do I change this? Google. Prettier. Double T. Yeah, double T. Indent. 4 spaces. Oh. Apparently I'm not the only one asking for this. Prettier indentation not working overrides. Like my editor interior 4. I used the John Papa. There's John Papa. Papa John. John Papa. It's like the pizzas. My setting editor tab size 4. I try to adding the Prettier settings to keep up with the tab size. Still specifies 2. Well, that's not the case in my editor. HTML. It says 4. Every setting set, yet I saved the 2. Okay, I seem to have fixed it. I created a Prettier RC file in the root of my project with the following content. Type width 4. The right setting to have Prettier indent with spaces is Prettier tab width 4. You do not read from editor tab size. May be written due to detect indentation. Format and save useless in a Prettier RC file. Prettier tab size 4. This Change view. Select tab size for the current file. No. What to do is overall. So where's the settings? Settings, file editor. Preferences. Where are the preferences here? Settings. Extensions. Let's see. I thought I was going into settings. Text editor. Link. Workspace. So where's the raw settings item? Raw. Change settings, editor, settings, Visual Studio Code. Settings.json. Settings.json. That's not in here, I think. Preferences, settings, clothing, file. Nope. File, preferences, settings. Extensions. Search settings. What was mentioned over here? Tab width. Tab width. Prettier tab width. There you are. 4. Come on. No save. Let's get back to boom, boom, boom. Check task pane. Let's let a little bit of change. Save. That's better. That's what I want. Much better. Anyway, now I need to find where did I put my console, maybe. Shift F, console, log. Nowhere? Okay. Let's see if we can find some script somewhere. Script. Index. components, app TSX. I noticed they will run somewhere. Insert paragraph, hello world. So if I do something in here like console log inside, what's the name of this thing? App TSX. TSX. So now, what is this? And what's my edge over here? It's attached. But where? Let's attach again. Here. So now, if I do something like this, maybe make it a little bit smaller so we can see both. Run inside app TSX. There you are. So this is one of the console options that everyone knows, but there is more, apparently. So we have insert assert. Truthy values, nothing will be locked. So if we go to this, maybe a little bit of this. Nice. So we in this case want to do some asserting. Console assert. So this won't be triggered. Do is a falsy value. Console assert. No. True. And that again is a falsy value. Console assert hello world. Hello world. How are you doing, hello world? Oh. Restream. I need to come into restream. Restream. Two-factor again. Three, 8. Where is it? Don't you love it? 792 528. If you're quick enough, then you can. Oh, I need to select palm trees. want to... Let's see what's happening if I switch the song. Will it pick it up?
Paint a picture in the dark and turn a fire in her heart. It's not easy being loved like this. It's not easy.
Now I can see my chat window from Restream. Where was I? Hello world. Do. Falsy value. Nothing will be logged. Assertion failed flow. So copy. So I'm gonna make this 1 0, then do. 0 is a falsy value. False. 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 Empty string. Do. Empty string. Empty string. Let's check what's going on. Now let's make this hello world. Make this true. Make this one. Save. Should update the node entry now. Planning, yes, successful. World. Where's my debugger? Here, I think. Do. 0 is a false value. False is a false value. And empty string is also a false value. And this one is incorrect, is not a false value. One is not a false value. Not. And the world is not a false value. Oh, it seems indeed. Why did it do that? Make it fit the screen? Okay. Let's put the music a little bit down. 4%, yes. Make a Move by Digisaurus on the album No More Room for Love. This is Radio Maarten van Stam from Live Coding with Development. Let's check. Run. Yeah. The console assert function is used to test if the passed argument is a truthy or falsy value. In the case that the passed value is a falsy, function logs extra arguments passed after the first one. Otherwise, the code execution proceeds without any log. The assert method is particularly useful when you want to check the existence of values while keeping the console clean of avoid logging, long list of properties, etc. Console count and console count reset. Why is this? These two methods are used to set a clear counter of how many times a particular string gets logged in the console. So, let's try that. Console count. Oh. Hello. And why is it not between the quotes? Hello. Still need to kill my mouse a little bit. Come on. 2%. I think that should be fine. Yes. Where was I? Hello. I was counting hello. Let's make that 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then console count reset. Count reset. Count reroute.
I need a scarecrow after what you did.
What's new? Welcome to the creator updates. Stream manager. Yeah. Say goodbye to the live dashboard and the hello. Quick actions. Quick actions make it, yeah. Assistant. Currently the assistant is a limited release and only helps streamers on the path to affiliate with suggestions and tips. If you don't have access now, we'll provide updates here in the future. More to come. Got it, thanks. So where's my assistant? I don't have an assistant. Oh, that's not connected. And why is this not connected? My Streamlabs item Twitch thingy is not connected. No accounts. Why not? Add an account. Where is it? Where did it go? Oh, it killed my stream deck. I just killed my stream deck completely. Let's check again. Stream deck. Site's not available. Why not? Twitch stream deck. Ah, there it is. It's done. Password. I have a very complex password. Twitch. Copy my password. And there is the token again. Twitch token. All 7849702. No, I already did that. I streamed myself. Oh, stop. Ooh. Close. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's get back to console logging. So, what we are doing is testing a little more than the usual console that everyone knows. Everyone knows the console log, but there's more. Also the console assert, console, and we're now testing the console count. Save this and let's see if it's now showing anything in the debug output. Over here. Run. Hello 0. So that's interesting. Why is showing only 1? Run again. None. Huh. Console count. So why is it not showing? Just show this. Oh, maybe single quotes? Really? Is that it? No, can't be. Could it really be? Count reset. Reset. Save. Maybe it was not. Oh. We changed everything back to the same double quotes. Really? So if I change this back to one quote, Prettier turns it back to double quotes? Hello? Save? Wow. Prettier changes back to double quotes. 1 hour in the stream. It's awesome. Awesome. Let's see. Compile. Where's Node? Compile successfully. Let's see this one. Run. Hello 0. Why? I've traveled through this world a million times before, and every path I cross I know what lies in store. Now it's showing this. So it's resetting it after. Oh, it's keeping the same line, I think. So if I remove this, save, and remove this one, and remove this one. Save. Now my guess it will say hello 1. Wait for the compile to complete. Here's reloading. Hot reload. Hello 1. Yes, there it is. Now let's change the code back to twice. Save. Wait for the compiler to run. Compile successfully. Yeah, obviously some items are not correct, but we'll leave it for now. Bloop, bloop. Someone on Discord. See a thing on Discord. Maybe just someone logged in. Yeah, compiled. Word. Run. Hello 2. For some reason I would like to see this on separate lines for each occurrence to happen. But that's not how it works. So if I change back this one from the code, let's wait for the compile again. Friend announcement. Michael Jolly is now going to start a stream. Compile's complete, I think. Let's focus on the right window. Compile is complete. Node, yes. This was done. Click run. Hello 3, yes. Hello 3. XML 5, 6. Task plane HTML1. Only one root item is allowed. Yeah, but this is comment. So what if I remove that? Will my error go away? This is... What file is this? Taskpane HTML. Did we have that open already? Taskpane HTML. What if I just delete this? Save. Node. Compiled completely. Complete. This is still in there, is it? Run. Yeah, hello 3 is still the case. Console 9. Only one root element is allowed. Yeah, now is this in... If you say only one root element, that would mean that this is also considered as an element, even though it's like metadata. So if I kill that, and there's no reason to remove this, let's see if the error is shown, still shown. Welcome to the chat. Hydrate. What we are doing today is looking at some console options. Everyone knows the console log. obviously. Where was it? In here, I think. Yes. No. It's not. It was in the app. Everyone knows the console log item to just do some logging, but there is much more than that, like the assert and the count options, count reset, count, not count reroute, but count reset. No fun intended. If you, however, do the count reset, every time the console log is done, it's doing it in one place, and if you reset it in here like this, let's first, then it's shown immediately 0. Compile is done. Show this, show the word heading, run. Look at the console. Oh, this one again. I'm not sure why it keeps saying this, so it's kind of crappy. Apparently it's not considered to be as one item. But that might be related to where app.jsx is included. TSX, I should say. So if I undo this, no. It was, let's see. That was in here, I think. That task pane. Task pane.html. This one. Ctrl home, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Task pane. So why is this considered to be a multiple root element? Task pane, control, task pane .html. It's put in there by Webpack. Chunks, task pane vendor polyfills. I have no clue. Let's not look at that anymore. What I want to do, look at AST, task pane, the app TSX, this one. Show that this one is 3, save. Let's wait for the compiler to run. Bloop. Friend announcement again.
I've been feeling good lately, and it feels good to feel good again. Yeah, look.
I've seen this, so let's close the music. Go back to Word here. Run it again. Hello, 3. Go back to code and reset code. Now, hello will be reset to 0. Wait for node. Complete. Done. Word. Close this. Run. Hello is now 0. Even though it is run 1, 2, 3, as it's reset. So hello is now 0. Go back to the website. reset to 0 the counter for the label hello. If now you will call again the count for the hello label, it will restart from 1. This is not count reset, this is an error. There are a lot of errors in this element, in this thing, I think. Because if I do this, if you ask me, it's still 0. Save. Let's prove it. Compiling.
Imagine how I'd be with you. I swear that there ain't no telling what we gon' do. I'm just trying to love you. So come and spend the night. Let me treat you right, baby.
Compiler started. Oops. What's this? No. Prettier. Go away. This should be to the left again. Escape. Compiled word. Let's run it and see what it's doing in the output. See, it's still 0, so the code in the document in here should say not count reset, but should say count. Otherwise, there's no 1 there. Save. Save it and run it. By the way, we'll soon start looking at the speakers for the .NET for the SDN event in December. We are going over the paper call. Let's see who we want to invite for the next event. Compile already? Yeah? Yeah, bitch. Now I need to look at the logging. Now it says hello again. Hello. Hello, is it me? So this one is also incorrect. That's incorrect. That should say count, not count reset. Country road. No, come on. Is there a comment in here? Marco Antonio Gianni. Let's see. I think it's is it this is stored on GitHub maybe? Let's go. Comments shared and discussion about the topic are always accepted, and I'll be glad to answer any of your questions. Thanks for the article. Reading the article. Yeah, so there's no comment in here yet. Oh, there is. Moving beyond console, showing responses for, yes. The particular method is incredibly useful to describe an object content in a human-friendly table. This is a rare way to display JavaScript objects over array. Thanks, Marco. Well, Didn't know about the heaps of this. Don't forget about console trace. Right. See? There you have it. Typo in your console count example. The last call should be count. You have count reset. I agree. Already knew about this method, but I think I have to see if visually get inspiration to actually use it. Happy coding. This is great. I don't know of all methods. You should add one more for React Native. Oh, for React Native developers. I only tested with React Native. Console warning. The method shows the message of the on the device screen instead of the console. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, that's a warning. Let's see what's doing if I put it in here. Console warning. Watch it. Warning. Save. And why is this squiggly? Does not exist on the type console. Ah. One. Warning. One. One. Should be one. One. Add-link console one function is an alias for add-link console error. Well, let's first see what it's doing. Node compiled. Yes. Word. Kill the items in the list. Run. Watch it. Warning. So I'm not sure what it's about the comment. Yeah, this is interesting. This is an old one. A way to refresh this? I'm not sure. So, next. Console log. So what have we seen so far? Back. Let's quickly go back. So we've been looking at the count and count reset. So that's nice. And this one was optional. Just a side step. Console group and console group end. Group and group end creates and ends a group of logs in your console. You can pass a label as the first argument of the group to describe what the concern is about. Oh, excuse me. Console group group 1. console log grandpa grandma. Well, let's stick to the demo then. Group grandparents group. Grandparents group. And then we have a parents. Now we should first end the group. Console end, group end, group end, and with a capital E, like this. Copy, and we have two other groups. One group, two groups. And then this will be parents. Parents group. I get pa, ma, and now I noticed I made a typo over here, grandma. Grandparents, and then we have the kids group. Kids group. Son. Oh. Daughter. Let's see how this is acting in the output. Let's show the node to see if it's already compiling. Yeah. Go with paragraph over here. And run. And now I forgot to show the output. There you have it. Grandparents group. So now you can see what happens if you do like this. We have the count option, but what if I put it in a group first? Here. Console, group. First. Oh, first. Hello group. Make this a console, come on, console, group, end, I think it was. Is that correct? Yeah. So now my guess is I get a group with the hello 3, then a reset. And there's nothing to reset, I think, in this case. Now you do hello again, and then you get a 1. Let's try this. Might getting a new hello group. Note. Wait for the compile. This one is green, so I might have a hole in my head then. No, it's not. That's nice. Yes, a little bit transparent. fake screen. Compile is complete. So word it in, kill paragraph. Let's get this in front. Yeah, now I have a hello group, hello one. That's interesting because the count is still going over the items, no matter what group it is in. Count reset, hello, then is, what if I put another hello in there outside the group? Save. Waits for the compile. Compile. Yeah, word. Kick in. Show this one first. Come on. Run. Still one hello. So no matter what, it's always a label, and the label is not, for some reason, not bound to the group. Count is group, it's not group aware, apparently. Apparently the group is not, no, count is not group aware. Tja. So, a little bit tired. Back to the code. And back to the example. This was what he did, it's nice, very nice. And now, for next item, we are going to create a const users list, and we put in an array there. Wow, is my VM slow today? Name. Maarten. Age. 22, obviously. 22. Copy this. VM is terribly slow. And this is Leo. Leo is 24. Now put in a log like this. Welcome to the view. Console table. And put in the array of users. Let's look at how this is showing in the output. Prettier is changing it to some double quotes. Let's see where the compiler is going. And completed. Word it in. Kill the paragraph. I said kill the paragraph. Yeah. Show the debugger in here. And run. Hello world. Why is this slow? Terribly slow today. Is it because it's running my table? It's not. Yeah, there it is. Oh, what is slow? That's a nice table. Look at this. Announcements. Robot tables went live. Index 0, Martin 22. Index 1, Leo 24. This is really cool formatting to output your code. Nice. So that's the table, console time and time end. You want to check the performance. Well, the performance is really bad today, so I really want to test that for now. Let's do this before the users are created. Const start equals to date now, and const. Oh, now we need to do something. So that's in this case create a table of users and print it. And now const diff equals to date now minus start. Maybe type a little bit more better. Start. Yeah. Console log, and there we have the log again. Time execution was set to diff. Now let's plus diff plus milliseconds. Something like this. Nice. Save. Well, using the time and time end functions, it's not necessary to do this trick. You can create your time simply by doing, and that's the next one. Let's first do this one. So I save this, and again go to Node, compiling. Compile and complete, Word. Kill the paragraph. Bring up the debugger. No, the other one. This. Oh. We have issue over here. It was killed. Let's restart it. DevTools. Yeah. Let's run. Let's first put it aside. Escape. Go over to this one. Run it. There you have it. Execution time 2 milliseconds between creating the user list and the table. But there is the other option. Instead of doing this, you do go back to the code. Const start. I already did that. Const start. That's this one. Then for let I equals 0, I then put a long waiter in here. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, zeros, I, plus plus, do something like 1 plus 1. How interesting is this? Const. We already had a diff. Diff equals to no, that's not right. And it's a const. Let's make that const. Diff2 equals to date now minus start console log. That's the same one again. Diff2 now after console time execution with console time do exactly the same thing. Copy. Yeah. And now console time and time execution with console time. Is that the label? Like, let's check. Yeah, that's a label. So you can apparently include multiple timers in here. So this is what we see in .NET with the stopwatch. So we have a first diff and we have another one. So we have a conflict, I think, now. Make that const start equals date now. And we already have that, so make that the second start. Second start. Do a loop. Const diff2 minus start 2. Time execution console, no, with date now, I should say date now. Let's see, start 2, date now for blah blah, diff 2, date now, start 2, well, thanks for the follow, traffic. Thank you for the follow. What I'm doing is checking some other options for console log. In this way, instead, this time console time. Let's see what I did. Because I already used this one. Daytime now. I have a second loop, so I need to create a second loop with the start 2. and start to date now, then perform a loop, then const div2 date now. So how are you doing, ghost traffics? Ghost traffics. How do you pronounce it? Let's see. I was finalizing the first loop. Console log. This one. Console log time execution with. This should say with date now. Putting in the div2. Where's the div2? This is div2, yes. Div2, and then the second run, the third run I should say, basically, is console time execution, but this is taking time and time end. So there's no need for this to have a div entry in because it's handled by the label. Let's save this and watch the compiling, finalizing. Yeah, compiling finalized. Kill this. We all do this in an Office add-in. Where's the compiler? Now the compiler, the debugger. I should say run. Now we see nothing. Looks like I didn't save it, or didn't it reload? That's interesting. Time execution 1 millisecond, and then it stopped. Let's kick in the debugger. Can we do that? Let's see. Let's see what the errors are. Debugger. Interesting. This was not reset as well. Yeah, either. Let's make a little change in here. Test. Let's see, time execution with date time is not shown. Access denied. Why? What? Interesting. So let's see, because we don't get the time execution, and that's this one. And this one is failing. Maybe this is not allowed. Let j equals, no, j equals to 1.1, no. One plus one. I don't think that's. Let's quickly do some output testing. Copy. One, two, 3, 4, and the final one is 5. Save this. Did you compile yet? Compiled successfully. Word. Let's bring up the debugger again. Can we clear this? No, clear. No. How do we clear this? There you go. Run. It stops. It looks like it's not loading. So let's close this and let's see if we can reattach. Refresh. Oh, it's killed. Edge. Now it's attached again, I think. Put it aside again. Console output. Where's Word here? Conway, del, clean it. And run it again. Maybe it's now attached. Run. Still. It's not showing. I think we need to, because it lost its connection somehow. Maybe reload this. Refresh. Yeah, now it's reloaded. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's already done. So now change back the code. Remove all the crap in there. Like this one. And 2, 3, 4, 5. Save. So now we should get 2, 3 time outputs. Let me check. Node is now done compiling. Word, clean this. Time execution. Well, actually it's almost the same if you look at it. 1 millisecond. 1 millisecond? Yeah, that's doing nothing. Because this was the creation of the user table. And that's almost nothing. So, I think that's the last one from the demo over here. Summary. Only 3 minutes of time, so we have now lost scope. Well, 3 minutes. I've been doing this for now. Let's test this for One hour and 50 minutes in already. So there's much more than this. It's not only. So we've been looking at. We have been looking at console assert, console count, and console count reset, console group. That's an interesting thing. I'm quite surprised that the label count is not group aware though. Console table, like Robert tables. Console table is a really nice one. If you look at the output of this one, like this, that's very useful. Console time and console time end, so you don't need to do this thing with the diff construction. Just use the time and time end with the same label. But the session also showed us this all information that can be found on the Node.js documentation. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Console output. They have the warn. Inspector only methods. Mark timeline profile, profile and timestamp. So here are the individual examples, like the log, error, whoops, something bad happens. Copy. I don't think we have it in here, the error. Just force it in. Save. Wait for the compiler to complete. And completed. Let's clear the debugger. Clear this one. And run it. Ooh, object error. Whoops, something bad happened. With the complete stack information. Open this one, description, message, stack error. So that's also interesting. The warn, danger, William Robinson, danger. This is from the Netflix series, I think. Not sure what the name was again. Then const out get streams somehow. Login error. Also class. Oh, that creates a new class in here. Yeah. Okay. Assert clear. Also clear. So let's see what's happening if I do a clear on the end. Clear, where is the end? This was the last one, so console clear. Will that do what I expect it to do? Clear my complete console output. Yeah, where's the debugger? Here. So garbage this, then garbage this, and run it all. And now I would expect everything to clear after the last command. Yeah, wow. Woo! Hooray! Ta-da! Okay, that's it for the. We have the count. We already had a count. Count reset. Count debug. Friend announce. What's new? Playlist, not groovy. Yeah. So the dir. What can it dir then? Dir XML error console group info. Console info function is an alias for console log. Okay. Why? There's a table, time end, time log, process, time log, time end. Oh, so you can in between. It's like the interim timer. Yeah, that will. If I do that a million times, then it's kind of slow. So make that if I equals to 10,000. Oops, that's a C# thing. Let's do this like this. How many zeros do we have? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'll make this 5 then. If I modulo, is that something like this? Equals to 0. Oh, I'm now risking something. Console time log. Time. Why is this not right? If did I lose a bracket somehow? Yes, I have one too many. Save. That's better. So hopefully, if I'm correct, if every time it's divided to 10 to 100,000, 100k, then it should execute time log. Let's see if that's going as expected. We're 2 hours in now. Looks like it's compiled. Where's the debugger? There it is. Clear this, and now let's run this. Okay, I think it stopped. Or what's with date now? No, it did not work. Google. Example modulo JavaScript. Modulus. It's called modulus. Multiplying divide remainder. This is maybe this one. Returns the division. Run. Okay. I said run. Do we need? Oh, it's one. X modulo. That is. So if you have this, so this doesn't work. Let's do this only one. Equals to 100,000. At 100,000 we are going to time log it, because the modulo was not right, because if it's dividing by 100k, then the second one save. Wait for the compiler. Compiler completed. Word. Let's get the debugger first. Bin it. That's already done. Okay. So it already exists. So you can't reuse the... Where is it? Time log. Time. Process. Oh, the value. Okay. So you have to... Oh, you can do that, yeah. What we can do here is put the value of I in there. Time log. And put it in like I. Save this. If it is going like it's demonstrated in the demo, yeah, it should be possible to do this. And wait for the compiler. Compiler completed. Where's the debugger? Bin the debugger. Okay, del. Run it. Ah, it already exists. Maybe I need to reload it again. Oh, yeah. Close this, don't save, kill this. I'm not sure why it's not allowing to do this, because this, according to this, should be this is a label, and then the value put in here into the same one, and then time end. Time end, yeah, that's in here. npm no. npm start. It's already running on port 3000. No, it's not. Let's kill this again and do it once more. See, data projects, my new. cmd code. Terminal. npm start. Waiting for the compiler to complete. This will be the last thing to be tested. Why it's not coming? Taking a long time. Slow. There it is. Compiled successfully. Got it. Let's move this over there. And rerun the debugger, the DevTools. Refresh. Oh, why it's not loading? What? It's extremely slow. I'm not sure what's happening here. Kill this. Kill that. Let's go to the code. Oh, is this the case? Later. Let's make it some entry in here. Test. Save it. Fine. Yeah. Compiled successfully, then it's DevTools. Why is that showing? It is running. Oh. Maybe. Oh, now it's running. Yeah. So, bin this. Go to the heading. Run it. date now. Excusing with date now. Click now, console time. This one is not working. Equals, is that wrong? Compiler stopped. Yes. Then it says the console time already exists, so that's something off in the documentation is not correct. Let's see. Well, let's kill this. We've been in for 2 hours and oh, come on, for 2 hours and 15 minutes or something like that. Let's check. 2 hours, 12 minutes, 49 seconds. So I'm going to close down for today. We've been looking at, let's kill this. We've been looking at how to use the console output other than just using console log, or apparently you can also use console info. Let's kill the overlay first here. Get back to my main screen. Ta-da. Back to the main screen. Yeah, I've been in for 2 hours and a little bit more. And yes, if we see the console output, I would like to thank especially Ghost Graphics for the follow. I will be back next week with another episode of the office development. Thursday I'm also doing the SDN cast again with Marcel Meijer and Roy Jansen, and maybe Fanny Reinders. Fanny Reinders, we also need to, let's quickly show that the stream for Fanny Reinders, Twitch, Fanny Reinders, all about .NET, .NET Core, .NET Standard and whatnot. And he is hosting me right now. Thanks for that, Fanny. And then we have Jan Def, maybe, also a Dutch guy streaming every now and then. And he is also hosting me. Thanks for that, Jan de Vries. And then we have JF Versluis, also a Dutch dev. He is currently working for Microsoft. Let's see. He is currently offline. Let's see when his stream is online. Schedule under evaluation, so it's a bit ad hoc for now. That's Gerald Versluis. If you like to see more about Gerald Versluis, he's basically focused on Xamarin. If you're interested in Xamarin, Microsoft member, Blue Badge, Gerald Versluis. Then on Thursday is our own other item, SDN Cast. Let's see. And the SDN Cast is also hosting me, thanks for that. And this will be next Thursday, followed by the probably the stream by Fanny Reinders. And that's it for today. Let's get back to the main screen. Thanks everyone for watching, and let's finalize the show for today, and see you next time, I should say. Thanks for the follow, thanks for chat, thanks for watching, and see you next time.